We're talking about installing a motherboard into the case. Before you install the motherboard, you need to study it very carefully, decide what components you're going to be using and where everything is on the board. Begin with the motherboard manual. You really need to read this manual from cover to cover to learn everything about your motherboard so you know what features you have. In it, you'll find a motherboard layout that'll identify everything on the board, and then it'll go into great detail about each one. This motherboard, the processor has already been installed here. We have the cooler over here. It's turned upside down, but it'll later be installed like this after the motherboard goes into the case. And memory is here. Expansion slots are over here. The important things that we need to know about is to identify the connectors we'll use. This connector will be used to power the board, and also this one back here. We're going to install 2 hard drives, and they're going to use serial cables here. And I've identified the 2 serial ports. There are actually 4 ports here, but we'll use the first 2 red ones. There's a DVD drive that will be installed using this cable, and it will be installed on this particular connector down here. And there's one jumper that we need to be aware of, and that's this one right here. This jumper is the clear real-time clock jumper, or the one that clears CMOS RAM of any changes we've made, including the supervisor password, power on password. And all that information we now have ready so we understand our board and we're ready to put it into the case.